So branding ice is actually quite a cool technique, but it's not that difficult really. All you need to do is invest in one of these, which is a wax seal brand. This is just used for sealing envelopes, etc. And you can have any design in there you like. This is a rather kind of complicated P for Pearson, as in Andy Pearson drinks. And all you got to do is obviously take your ice block and then add that onto the top of it. Just press down. You don't have to produce too much power on that. You just need to kind of press into it, and without actually heating that brand, the transfer of heat will create, as you can see, it's kind of fused to that ice block now. Separate the two and you're going to end up with that pattern. Whatever the pattern was on your brand in the first place is now on your ice. So if should you find yourself over at my house having a drink, you're likely to find that your drink is served on ice with my moniker on it. So there you go. That, in a nutshell, is ice branding.